All right, I got my first fish on almost instantly. I'm not sure what it is because it's not pulling very hard at all. Well, until now. All right, what do we got here? It hit a little green worm. I'm not really sure what this is. This is a weird fight. Maybe a small catfish? Or, come on, I just want to see it. All right, a little catfish. Okay. All right, let me get him in the boat. Oh, he's a flopper. And he got me tangled pretty good. All right. Fish in the boat. He's a little guy, but he's a fish. I had a feeling I would get one here. Ow. All right, let's get a picture of him. Spawning marks, look at that. All right, GoPro, stop recording.